Need help investing overseas? Buying a holiday home or business acquisition can be a stressful and time-consuming task, especially with so many opportunities now advertised online and biased agents pushing bad investments. Investors can often feel confused, overwhelmed, and unsure who to trust. At Waterfront Portfolio, we understand that sourcing the ideal vacation property or investment deal requires lots of thought, research, and professional guidance. With over 20-plus years successfully selling luxury homes and investments internationally, our service is designed to eliminate the time and stress involved with sourcing, negotiating, and closing acquisitions whenever you're looking to invest. We employ a sophisticated approach to every client's practical investment needs and lifestyle requirements, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience from your point of inquiry through to completion and beyond. Let us help you achieve your investment goals in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Contact us and describe the type of investment which you are wanting to buy or sell. Step 2. If you are a seller, our team will be in touch once we have reviewed your sales proposition. For buyers, one of our specialists shall get to work immediately in creating a waterfront portfolio of new opportunities just for you. Step 3. Review your private portfolio via email and provide us with your initial feedback, your likes, your dislikes. Step 4. Once we have identified a short list of exciting investment options that you approve of, we shall help to arrange a viewing trip for you to inspect your favorites together with our local team of experts. Step 5. Upon choosing your desired property, our team shall work together with you to conclude a safe acquisition. We are partnered with the industry's best legal companies, real estate developers, and agents worldwide. Therefore, you can rest assured in our knowledge, experience, and strong international network, which results in successful investments for our clients.